So in this video, we're going to have a look at how we can add a custom dictionary to Microsoft 365 Copilot. So to start, we need to be signed in as an admin into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Now, once we're here, we simply head over to the Copilot main menu, scroll down to Settings, and then on the listed on the top, we go to Other Settings. Here you'll see Copilot Custom Dictionary. We click on that. And you'll see here we now have the option to upload a dictionary. So I'm going to select Browse to a CSV file that I've created before. This is literally just a list of words and the correct spelling in a CSV, and click Open. I pick the language, which is English in my case, and we click Upload. There we are. We now have a custom dictionary within Microsoft 365 Copilot. So once that takes effect, it will essentially mean that common words that we might spell incorrectly should be recognized and spelled correctly in transcripts. So thank you for watching, and have a play with dictionary.